Hello, and this is the unboxing of the NS wireless rechargeable hair trimmer. Yeah. And it's 141 because it has a 42 peso um, delivery fee. Yeah. So it's very cheap. It's like 80 plus lang. Okay. I'm sorry, it's um, almost 100. It's like 90, I think 97 or what. Yeah. Basta 141 lahat. Now let's try to open this. Okay. As they've explained, the colors vary. Depende kung ano yung na-pack nila. So there's a dent, no? Hopefully yung laman undamaged. Okay, ang laman niya is siyempre yung the hair trimmer itself. Okay. Ayan yung accessories, yung kakabit sa dulo. For about, yeah, 3. Okay. And it's a brush. Ewan ko pa paano malilinisan yan ng liit. There's a small bottle of, I think it's oil. And for the charger. Yeah. Although looking at it, kailangan ng adapter. Ay, ewan ko lang kung may charge pa to. Oh, look at that. May opening. Meron siyang battery. And it looks like it's running. And we'll test it in a little while. Okay. But, yan. Ito yung laman nun. Okay naman.